everyone, and welcome to DIY D365. So we have finally decided to start a new series, and it's called Thank God It's Flow. TGIF, hashtag TGIF, that's what we're going to do. So we are trying to share knowledge about Microsoft Flows, how we can learn it better. Obviously, there's no code involved. It's obviously for business users and consultants who can utilize Flows to their best. The best thing ever happened in the Microsoft community is Microsoft Flow. We will be looking at working with the Flow, most common queries and filters. Obviously, it's no code, integration scenarios, business use cases, when and how to use it, all about Flow, everything about Flow. I've been thinking about the name. What should I name my series? Thinking. Finally, we came up with this name called TGIF. Thank God It's Flow. I cannot do it on my own. I need your support. Please stay tuned and keep watching, sharing, learning, and just share everything with the community about your experience. Watch the teaser. What we have done is we'll be releasing a video every Friday. So that's why Thank God It's Flow. So every Friday you'll get to see a new episode. We'll try to stick to 8 episodes, and we'll try to cover as much as possible. Do watch the teaser.